Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Undertale error in action number 1. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to run Undertale. According to our research, you are most likely missing file 8 from your Undertale save folder. It may also occur if the game files need to be verified. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close the game and restart your device. Simply close Undertale completely, then turn off your device. Then wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Then launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error persists, check if you need to update the game. Simply open your game library or store, then look for Undertale, then install any available update, then launch the game and check for the error again. If you still get the error, then check your Undertale save folder for file 8. If file 8 is missing, create a file called file 8 by using one of the existing files as a template. Copy an extra file 9 or another existing save file, then rename the copy to file 8 and see if the error still comes. At last, if nothing helps, then try verifying the game files. Simply open your game platform and run the Verify Game Files option to scan and repair the game files. Then launch Undertale and check if this resolves the error. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.